This is the main road, 201, going into Paintsville. There's a line of cars behind me as well. Well, one car and some trucks. I'm kind of interested to see if this car, how far it's going to make it. But I just now passed a rear-wheel drive BMW, one of them little tiny cars. One of the cars was tailgating me. The one that's the only car I see in the line, a little two-wheel drive car, was tailgating me. And the roads wasn't this bad, but now they are pretty bad. But they were still sort of icy. But they've fallen way back now. I don't think they're doing very good on this bit. Rush Limbaugh died. Thoughts and prayers out to his family. Anyway, I drove into Paintsville. There's no way for me to get into Louisa right now because of the roads. And there's 3 mountains you have to cross. And the first mountain, the power company said that they couldn't get up there to even cut the trees off of the road. Salt trucks can't get through because of the trees on the road. And we've got another storm coming in tomorrow. So I bought a few cases of water. I've got about close to 80 gallons of gas in the back of my truck. Some for me, some for Uncle Bob, some for another neighbor. Tried to get kerosene, but I went to 4 different gas stations and couldn't find any. This looks pretty sketchy. There was a truck up against one of these guardrails coming in. One of these curves down here are just, I about slid into. I'll be better off on this lane. Somebody's went down that ditch right there. Now that car's nowhere in sight behind me. Somebody's hit the ditch there. I wonder why they're not tailgating me now. I wonder if they made it up the hill. I've never seen it this bad around here. I'm supposed to get like a few more inches of snow, and the snow's not deep at all. You can see now maybe a couple inches, but it's just so cold. Everything's ice, and the ice storms that hit before, you can see the trees are just covered with ice. It's slippy. They must have got that one vehicle. Slide. Oh, right here comes the tailgater too.
Aces of water are limited to one per vehicle. Again, one per vehicle. Echo Water offering bottled water pickup for customers. The water treatment plant in Azalea.
What's going to suck is if I meet somebody, there's really nowhere to go. You can see the tire tracks in the other lane. They get over and they just slide right towards the ditch. Here's where one of the vehicles were stuck at. My cruiser still. It's gonna get bad. This guy's gonna keep coming, and there's a line of folks behind me. You guys want a water? Nice and cool. It's good to see some folks keeping their university. This curve right here, as slick as could be. Just worry about waiting in the ditch. That one didn't make it. There's another one. Dude, you're gonna, of course they're from Ohio. Creeping back up on me. The trees on the road ain't very slick. Traction on me. Yeah, I went by Walmart, and Walmart, I hate Walmart. I'm never going to go there again. If I can help it, I will never go to Walmart again. Here it is 15 degrees out, and they're crowded anyway, because people's trying to get, you know, their supplies before this storm. And I was going to go in and get my water there. And they've got one of the doors blocked, so you got to walk all the way down. to the other end of it. Then they have no carts in there. So I walked back out and I went to the food lane, which I should have done in the first place to get my water. And then they want to act like you're the bad guy. I hate Walmart. I think they take advantage of people when they're evil. I mean, that's just part of my language, but that's just a dick move to close one set of your doors. They're already COVID Nazis. But then you're going to make someone walk way out of their way in the cold. Nah, I'm not going back to Walmart. People shouldn't anyway, because they put other family businesses out of business. Mom and pop shops, all that's out of business because of them. Then nobody wants to give away. And no one's sucking at each one. Not really.
To educate people, but I think it's the greatest threat.
This mic can get ugly.
They think the greatest threat that we face is us. And they're right, because we are standing directly in the way of their amassing all of this power that they want. We do not want power over them. We just want them to lose. We just want them to remain a minority. I don't care if they're happy or not.
You know, people are on ice here, and you're on the road like that. Well, I can't pull that fella around. That's going to be a disaster, because that's another slick curve on that grade. Stopped down here at this store, and they was closed on my way through, but there was a line there to get gasoline because they had a hand pump to get it out of there with. And I'm pretty sure they sell kerosene, so I'm going to try to stop and get that elderly gal her kerosene. Anyway, everybody be safe and God bless.